Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here. Got some main points on the Short Shot Tungsten points that fit Easton X10s or Easton X10 Pro Tours. First off, with the price for 1 dozen points, $100 for 100 grain points, a dozen of them, $120 for 120 grain points, a dozen of them as well, and $140 for 140 grain points, and a dozen of them. Now for colors. These points are available in 3 different colors. You got your traditional silver, you have gold, and you have black. And all of these are colored via titanium plating, which is a much more durable way to plate colors onto tungsten. And you get some of the aspects of titanium in there, giving you a solid coating and a stronger point that is, well, more durable. Now moving on to the design. The design is similar to the Easton X10 point in the fact that the head size on the Short Shot ones are the same head size as the Easton ones, so you don't have to worry about a change in your arrow length. As we move down though the shank underneath the head of the point, you're going to see that there is a cutout for glue so that the point adheres better to the inside of the arrow, which I think is going to be very beneficial for a lot of archers. Past that though, as we work our way down to the break-offs, if we're talking about the 120 grain and the 140 grain points, my break-offs are a little bit thicker than the other ones on the market, and that's to stop unexpected breakage inside the arrow shaft, because some brands actually do break off inside the arrow shaft. So I beefed up the break-off points in order to make these points, well, more reliable, and at the same time, since they're a little beefier, the overall length of the Short Shot tungsten points are actually shorter than the leading points on the market. Now moving on to testing. How did I test these? Well, I've shot them for months, and I've shot tens of thousands of arrows with these points, but besides that, I have been slamming them into things besides the target, such as the backs of other arrows, wood, and bricks, to see how well they hold up, because, you know, accidents happen. And with that, the results have been quite amazing. The points actually survive a brick impact. The brick actually does more damage to the arrow shaft itself than it does to the point, and the point is actually able to be reused and put into another arrow. Now, where can you pick these up at? Well, you can pick them up at shoreshotarchery.org. We are running a pre-order right now, from literally right now all the way till October 12th, 2020. And when the pre-order closes, well, the sweet deal of 10% off the prices I just listed per dozen goes away. So get them while they're hot. They will be available, you know, later on the Short Shot Archery website, but not at the prices that I'm offering through this pre-order. The goal with this is to help out the archery community, because I'm not making much on these. We'll just put it that way. But at the same point in time, I really want to give back to my community and offer a product that is superior and less expensive to what is already on the market. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy shooting.